Bonjour à tous et bienvenue à Francophile. Today we are tackling 4 tricky French verbs. Apporter, emporter, amener, emmener. They all seem to mean to bring or to take, but each one has its own nuance. By the end of this video, you will be confident about which one to use when. Apporter versus emporter. Both deal with objects, things you can carry like books, food, clothes, etc. I want to bring your attention to the verb porter. It means to carry. For example, je porte mon sac. Je porte mon sac. I'm carrying my bag. In apporter, the prefix a is used to emphasize the destination. So, apporter means bring something to the place you are or to the person you are talking to. For example, peux-tu apporter une bouteille de vin à la fête? Can you bring a bottle of wine to the party? Je t'ai apporté des chocolats. I brought you some chocolates. In emporter, the prefix en is used to emphasize the starting point. J'emporte toujours un parapluie quand il pleut. I always take an umbrella with me when it rains. Elle a emporté des vêtements chauds. She took some warm clothes with her. Think of apporter as bringing towards and emporter as taking away with you. Now let's look at amener versus emmener. These two are used with people or animals, beings that can move. Again, look at the verb mener. It means to lead. Ce chemin mène au village. This path leads to the village. So, amener means to bring someone to a place or to another person. Je vais amener mon ami au concert. I'm going to bring my friend to the concert. Il amène les enfants à la crèche, puis il va au travail. He brings the children to the nursery, then he goes to the work. Emmener means take someone along with you when you're going somewhere. Ce soir, je t'emmène au restaurant. Tonight, I'm bringing you to the restaurant, or I'm taking you to the restaurant. Elle emmène son frère au parc. She brings her brother to the park, or she takes her brother to the park. Again, amener means bring someone towards, and emmener takes someone away with you. Let's do a quick recap with comparison. Apporter, to bring a thing. Emporter, to take a thing with you. Amener, to bring a person. And emmener, to take a person with you. Now imagine this. You are going to a dinner. Vous apportez du vin. You bring some wine. It starts raining. So, vous emportez un parapluie. You take an umbrella with you. At the dinner, vous amenez votre ami. You bring your friend along. And after, vous emmenez votre ami chez lui. You take your friend back home. So how to remember it? You carry or take objects. The verb is porter. So, apporter et emporter. And you lead people or animals. The verb is mener. So, amener and emmener. And also remember, a is to bring towards and en is to take with you away. Practice with your own examples, and if you have doubt, comment below. If this video helped clear things up, don't forget to like it and subscribe to Francophile. And hit the bell icon so you don't miss a lesson. À bientôt!